Students, welcome to the chapter index number. Students, in today's session, I'm going to explain what are the formulas of quantity index numbers. Okay, students. So quantity index numbers, weighted aggregative quantity index numbers. See students, as price index numbers formulas like. So now I'm going to explain the formulas of quantity index numbers. Students, in price index number, we are going to find the prices. So in quantity index numbers, we are going to find the quantities. As we discussed earlier, what is quantity index numbers? In quantity index numbers also, students, as price index number, the formulas are up to last year's to, then the formula is Fisher's quantity index number. From last year quantity index number to Fisher's quantity index numbers. Okay students, we'll discuss one by one. The first formula is last year's quantity index numbers. So the formula of last year quantity index number is given by, see students, the symbol, it is because of quantity index number, we have to take capital Q01L. Means L means last year's. If it is formula is price index number, we have to write capital P. Here the formula is quantity index number. So that's why you have to write Q01. So Q01 of last year is equal to summation Q1P divided by summation Q1P into 100. Students, in the price index, formulas are as same as price index number only. Okay, so all the notations are same. In the price index number, we have first you have to write P into Q. Okay, but in the quantity index number, instead of P, first you have to write Q. Next, instead of Q, you have to write P. So replace P by Q and Q by P. So that becomes quantity index number formula. That's it. So summation QP divided by summation QP into 100. But in price index number, the formula is summation PQ divided by summation PQ. In quantity index number, you have to use summation QP divided by summation QP into 100. So the notation is same. Just you put 100, 100. That is last year's quantity index number. Summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into 100. Same as it is past quantity index number. So the formula of past quantity index number is given by summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Then Marshall Edwards quantity index number is given by Q01 of Marshall Edwards is equal to summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1 into 100. Both one is Darby-Boles quantity index number. The formula of Darby-Boles quantity index number is 1 divided by 2 into bracket of Q01 of last year plus Q01 of past. Also, you know, this can be written in another form as Q01 of Darby-Boles is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket of summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. So the last formula is Fisher's quantity index number. So the formula of Fisher's quantity index number is given by Q01 of Fisher is equal to root of Q01 of last year into Q01 of past. So this can also be written in another form as root of summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Students, see the formulas as same as the price index number. Only in quantity index number, you have to write replace P by Q and Q by P. So that is the formulas of quantity index numbers. Students, in the exam, either you can get the examples on price index number or quantity index number. So that's why the question paper, while reading the questions, you need to be very careful whether you have to find price index number or quantity index number. If they ask price index number, you have to apply price index number formula. Otherwise, if they ask quantity index numbers, you have to write the quantity index number formula. Okay students. So I'm going to solve one example based on quantity index numbers. Compute Laspier's, Pasch, Marshall-Edwards, Darby's Bowley's and Fisher's quantity index numbers from the following data. Okay, so this is the data here, students. First column item is given 2006 price and quantity, 2010 price and quantity. So now we write the given things. Students, here 2006 is base year and 2010 is current year. 2006 price means base year price means P naught, base year quantity means Q naught. 2010 means current year price means P1, current year quantity means Q1. Okay, so as you know, here you are finding the quantity index number. Instead of first P, you have to find Q naught P naught. So we want Q naught P naught, Q1 P naught, Q naught P1 and Q1 P1. So as you know, students, how to find out the Q naught P naught? First you have to multiply the values of Q naught P naught. Next you have to multiply the values of Q1 P naught. Next you have to multiply the values of Q naught P1. After multiply the values of Q1 into P1. So after multiplying these values, you have to take the total of these values. Okay, students. Summation after finding the Q naught P naught, summation Q naught P naught total is 1290. After finding Q1 P naught, summation Q1 P naught total is, students, 1490. So after finding Q naught into P1, summation Q naught P1 total is 1530. After finding Q1 into P1, summation Q1 P1 total is 1810. So these are the totals. Now you find the formulas. The first formula is Laspier's quantity index number. So Laspier's quantity index number formula is summation Q1 P naught divided by summation Q naught P naught into 100. So students, summation Q1 P naught is 1490. Summation Q naught P naught is 1290. So after solving this, the final answer is Q0 of Laspier is 115.5. Same as it is. Next you have to find the Pasch quantity index number. The formula of Pasch quantity index number is, students, summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q naught P1 into 100. So now you substitute the values. Summation Q1 P1 is 1810 divided by summation Q naught P1 total is 1530. So after solving this, the quantity of Pasch is 119.30. Next, same as it is, you find Marshall-Edwards quantity index number. The formula of Marshall-Edwards quantity index number is given by summation Q1 P naught plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q naught P naught plus summation Q naught P1 into 100. Students, now you substitute the values. Summation Q1 P naught is 1490. Summation Q1 P1 is 1810. Summation Q naught P1 is 1530. Students, after adding, first you have to add these two values, numerator and denominator. Okay, after adding, the answer is 3300 divided by 2820. So dividing by this into 100, the final answer of Q0 of Marshall-Edwards is 117.02. Students, same as it is, you have to find the Darby's Bowley's quantity index number. So as you know, the formula of Darby's Bowley index number is 1 by 2 into bracket of Q0 of Laspierre plus Q0 of Pasch. So now you substitute the values as we already calculated. So after substituting the values, adding these two values and divided by 2, 234.8 divided by 2. So the final answer of Q0 of Darby's Bowley is 117.4. Okay, students, the final formula is Q0 of Fisher's quantity index number is given by, okay, Q0 of Fisher's quantity index number is given by Q0 of Fisher's is equal to root of Q0 of Laspierre into Q0 of Pasch. Now you substitute the values. Q0 of Laspierre is 115.5 into Q0 of Pasch is 119.3. Students, multiply these two values. So after multiplying and take the root, the final answer of Fisher's quantity index number formula is 117.38. Okay, students. So in the next class, students, we are going to solve some important examples for exam point of view. So these questions are for 2 marks. Okay. Thank you.